with a big bang Saturday night down at Relics Theater.
It's going to be a great tribute to him for sure. Well, last week our next guest walked away the big winner of the Texaco Country Showdown.
Huge stuff. Laurel Wright is still just a teenager, but her talents have already won her $100,000.
Wow.
What? How you doing, Laurel?
I'm doing good.
Well, I know you are. And
Clearly.
how are things? Introduce who you have with us.
Yeah, this is Josh Mullen.
Okay, and he plays along with you?
Yes.
How exciting was this?
Unexplainable. Like, singing on the Ryman stage was something you can't really explain, that feeling.
And a dream so many artists have, and to be able to have that experience through this contest. And to tell us about the Texaco Country Showdown. How does it work?
You have a local competition, then a state competition, then regional, and then finals, and then I made it through all those.
Very good. And what's next? A CD? Anything?
I'm working on my album right now, and I'll have a single released in like 2 weeks.
And we're going to preview right now. What are you going to sing for us?
Yes, I'm going to sing my original song.
All right. Hey, thanks for coming in and seeing us.
Congratulations.
She puts her makeup on to hide her tears, but she just wishes that you were here so you could hold her. But instead you kissed her hand goodbye. And now she can't sleep at night, 'cause you're all that's on her mind. And moving on from the word goodbye, that's a mountain that she can't climb. But she's alright. Her love for you is unexplainable, but still you left her out in the cold, heartbroken, with nothing left to say. And she still can't sleep at night, 'cause you're all that's on her mind. And moving on from the word goodbye, that's a mountain that she can't climb. But she's alright. She thinks about you every once in a while, and all those times that you made her smile. But now it's over, and she never called you back again. And she can finally sleep at night, 'cause you're the